Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a DM video notes on Instagram. Video notes are kind of like stories, but they appear as a living video that you can set as your profile picture in the DM section. It's a really fun feature actually. It's a quick way to show your mood, say hi to your mutual friends, or share a thought. Alright, let's get into the first steps. First, open your Instagram apps and go to the DM section by tapping the button in the top right corner, like this. And then tap on your profile picture at the top of your chat list, like this. And then you'll see three buttons, and to add the video note, tap the camera buttons, like this. Now in this tab, you can record a quick 2 until 3 second video using your front or back camera. In this tutorial, I'm going to record with my back camera. And then you can tap the record button like this. Tap again. And then tap the button like this. And before you pause the note, you can also add a text note like this. I will text the maybe like this. And you can even add music. We tap the music button like this, and you can search the music. I will choose this song, and then you can select the part of you want, but just keep in mind you can only use 30 seconds of the music. Next, you can choose who can see your video notes. In this tutorial, I will choose followers or mutual friends. Then share. Your video note will show up in your DM section like this, and it disappears after 24 hours, and just like a story, just like story. Alright, that's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and bye!